Good morning, teachers.
Good morning, Mr. Miller.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And how are you?
I'm good. Okay, thanks so much. Today we'll be looking at the topic called angles and the subtopic types of angles. And before we go any further, I would like us to define the word angle. To define the word angle. Quickly, if you know the answer, at least help us with the definition of the word angle. Any answer? If you know, you help us. The word angle. Okay, without wasting much of time, the word angle, it simply means a space usually measured in degrees. A space usually measured in degrees between two lines. Between two intersecting lines. I said, let me repeat. An angle, it is a space usually measured in degrees between the two lines intersecting. Are we together? So what I'm trying to say, the space usually measured in degrees between two lines intersecting. It is this. When you have the line like this and another line which is going like this. Now, these two lines, they have the place where they should meet. And that place, okay, we call it as a vertex. So, the meeting place of the two lines, it is called the vertex. Are we together?
Yes.
It is called the vertex. Like the way I have said, angles, they are measured in degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. And the symbol for the way for angles, it is like this. Are we together? If at all you like to say 0 degrees, you even put the symbol like this, showing that this is a degree. So meaning angles are measured in where? In degrees. And this word angle, okay, it has been derived from the Latin word angular. Okay? Derived from the Latin word called angulus. Angulus. Which means a small or a little bend. Are we together?
Yes.
A small or a little what? Bend. Little bend. Are we together?
Yes.
This is what it means here. So now, let us move on. We look at the types now. The types of what? Angles. The types of angles. Okay. I would like the class to at least tell me the types of angles that you know. Okay? Yes, Taisia?
Acute angle.
Number 1, we are saying an acute angle. An acute angle. Yes, Kupe?
Right angle.
The right angle. The right angle. Mabesho?
Obtuse angle.
Obtuse angle. Very good. Come on, Emmanuel.
Reflex angle.
The reflex angle. That is good. That is good. The reflex what? Angle. Reflex angle. Apart from this, what else? Come on, Barbara.
Straight angle.
The straight angle, very good. The straight angle. The straight angle. I'm happy with the answers. Yes. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, my patient.
Full rotation.
The what?
Full rotation.
Full rotation or a complete angle. A complete angle. Very good. So now, since we have mentioned the types of angles, and then I would like us now to even know and draw for us to be able to identify each type of angles which are here. Are we together? To draw each type of angle which has been already mentioned on the board, written on the board, we draw and then we know. We name them to say, okay, this angle, it is this angle. This angle, the type of this angle is this angle. We shall start with the right angle. Are we there? We shall start with the right angle. The right angle, it is a type of angle which is measured up to how many degrees? Yes, Kundo? 90 degrees. Right angle is measured up to 90 degrees. Are we together? Up to 90 degrees. That is a right angle. So now, I would like someone here to come and draw to show us, to say, okay, this is the right angle triangle. Are we together? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, Sarah? Quickly, quickly, quickly. I want you, at least you show us, you say, okay, this angle, it is called a right angle. Very good. And this is correct. Are we together? So, the reason why we are saying this one, it is called the right angle triangle. Are we together? This one, okay? So, this line which is here and the other line here, where they are meeting here, this point, what do we call the point here? The vertex. Right? It is called the what? The vertex. So now, the one which is upright, the line which is upright, it is making this one where they are meeting to be called the right angled triangle. Are we together? So now, this one, it is in 90 degrees Celsius. Are we together? Yes. Good. Then, from this right angle, 90 degrees, you can form other angles, either less than 90 degrees or greater than 90 degrees or 180 degrees, or apart from 180 degrees, more than 180 degrees. All those angles, they are called the angles. Are we together? So this is where now we are going to know how these other angles which are here are formed. Okay? Now, from this line which is upright, it is straight. Are we together? That's where now you are going to form or to know how the other angles are formed. Less than 90, greater than 90, or greater than 180, or less than 180 degrees, or complete angle. Are we together? Good. So now from this line, okay, from this line, if this line just bend a little bit like this, okay? Are we there? The angle which has been formed here, it is called what? It is called what? An acute what? Angle. Why are we saying it is an acute angle? Why are we saying it is an acute angle? Same hands. Doreen, same hands. Yes, why is it called an acute angle? Because it is an angle which is less than 90. Are we together? Immediately when it is here, where we say it is 90 degrees, and then you just reduce, it becomes 89. Just know that the angle which has been formed, it is called an acute angle. An acute angle starts from 1 degree up to 89 degrees. Are we together?
Yes.
As long as it is less than 90 degrees. That all these angles, they are called what? Acute angles, because they are less than what? 90 degrees. Are we together?
Yes.
That's why here, where I was explaining to say an angulus means little bend. Okay? Means little what? Bend. So these angles, it might the big one, the small one, as long as it has got that shape which has been made looking for it to be looking an angle. How do you get it? It is called the angle. Okay. Now, number 2. Okay? Though number 2 we have mentioned to say it is an acute angle, which is from 90 going back now, reducing the bend, yeah? Reducing the bend, becoming 89 or 1 or 2 or 60. That is an acute angle. An acute what? Angle. An acute angle. This is okay. The angle less than 90 degrees, it is called an acute angle. Are we together?
Yes.
Okay. Apart from right angle, an acute angle, what else? What else? Since we have already mentioned it here, okay, we shall talk about an obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Obtuse angle an obtuse angle. This is an angle. This is an angle. This is an angle. An angle which is greater than 90 degrees or less than 180 degrees. Are we together?
Yes.
Any angle which is greater than 90 degrees or it is less than 180 degrees, it is called an obtuse what? Angle. This is how now we need to be identifying to say this angle, it is so angle. This angle, it is this angle. All together?
Yes.
Good. Apart from that, you see the way the right angle has been drawn here. If this line just bend like this, it is no longer 90 degrees. All together? The angle from here up to here, which means this angle it is more than 90 degrees. And as for that, we call it as an obtuse what here? Angle. We have not reached on the straight line. Are we together? When we reach here, that's where now we are going to say this is a straight line which is add up to 180 degrees. Okay?
Yes.
Then, apart from that, also have there is a straight line. Okay? A straight line angle. A straight line angle. This is a type of angle which is add up to how many degrees? How many? Yes, Emmanuel? 180 degrees. Okay? 180 degrees. Now, that 180 degrees, for you to have 180 degrees, how many, the total, how many 90 degrees are supposed to be there for you to have 180 degrees? You raise up your hand. Yes, Barbara? 2. Which means when you add 90 plus 90, you are going to get the figure 180 degrees, meaning you have reached on the straight line. Okay. Then now, from here, where we say 180 the angle from here, okay?
Yes.
If this one goes like this, the angle which has been formed, it is called the reflex what? Angle. The reflex what? Angle. Because this angle has been reflected from 180 going to this. Out there. Then if this now line come up to the end of this 90 straight here, meaning we have the complete what? Angle, which is add up to how many? The complete angle, yes? 360 degrees. That is now the complete what? Angle. Are we together? Good. So now, from here, we are going now to draw the example, each type of angles we have mentioned here. Okay? We draw so that we are helped now to how to identify. Say, okay, the angle which has been drawn here, it is this and this. Okay. To start with, the right angle triangle. Good. Right angle. Right angle. It is drawn in this way. Good. This is now 90 degrees. This is the right angle. Then number 2. Okay. An acute angle, I've put X because an acute angle, it can be either 62, 1 degree, 15, 20. Okay, as long as it is less than what? 90 degrees. It is called an acute angle. Obtuse angle. As you can see, this angle from here up to there, it is more than 90, which means it is called an obtuse what? Angle. The way it has been formed. Okay? Number 4. This is a straight angle, which is add up to 180 degrees. Are we together? Which is 180 degrees. Good. The reflex angle. The reflex angle, this one, it has been refracted from this 108, the straight line now, this one has come the other way. In short, it is like this. Okay? This is a reflex what? A reflex angle. Are we together? Okay? From the straight line, then now it has been refracted, it has become in this way. It is called a reflex what? Angle. Then, the last but not the least, we have, which one? Yes? The complete angle. The complete angle. The complete angle. Now the complete angle, are we together? A complete angle, this is the point, okay? And okay, you see this angle? This is a complete angle, meaning from 90 going round up to 90, 100 or 360 degrees. We have finished. Are we together? Okay? This arrow, it shows that from where it was, it has become coming round up to here. Okay, where now you start with the 90 degrees and then it has gone up to there, just like the old chime. You start to say, okay, 12 hours. It start now ticking, doing like that until it reaches where 12 is. You say now it is full complete. Are we together?
Yes.
Good. Now, apart from that, I know that where we come from, around us, in the environment, there are those objects or things that have been made and they've got shapes which has got angles. I would like you to tell me the same angles that we are able to see around us, and they've got types of angles we have mentioned here. A stick. Okay, a stick. How? A stick? Come on. Okay, of course, a stick. Just to explain a bit, a stick. You find that this is a branch, right? Where it is coming another branch doing like that. The angle which is in between that shape, it is called the angle. Okay, apart from that, what else? Yes, there is it. The desk itself, when you look at this desk where you are sitting, you see from here up to there, this where this and this are meeting. Okay? What angle is this? Hey, come on, where this and this are meeting. What angle is this?
Right angle.
Right angle, which is 90 degrees. Are we together? Yes. This is a right angle. Okay, good. Apart from that, what else? Come on. Yes, Manex. The book. The book? Okay, go try. A book. Apart from that, the background bars, the windows, you hear that? This one, this shape, this, where they are meeting here, this is a what? An angle, a right angle. Why? Yes. Okay, apart from that, you also have the scissors. Okay? See the scissors, eh? Yes. It has got a shape which looks like a what? Angle. Okay? Yes. Now, the shape of a scissors. What type of angle is that? Yes, Ernest. An acute angle, because it is less than what? 90 degrees. Are we together? Yes. Are we together? Yes. Even the letters like A has got a shape looking like what? Angle. Okay? Looking like what? Good. So now, to conclude the lesson, for you to be able to identify if at all the question comes to you to say what type of angle is this, you just have to know to say, okay, from 90 degrees, okay, the right angle. When you reduce from 90, it goes to 89. The angle which has been formed, it is the acute angle. Then the angle which is more than 90 degrees, it is the obtuse what? Angle. And obtuse angle, it is also less than 180 degrees. When you do that, and you understand that concept, you put it in you, then it will be easier for you to answer any question comes to you. Are we clear? Then now, apart from that, it is also important for you people out there, okay? For you people out there to support this channel by subscribing on the same, so that we keep on moving by teaching each other the lessons like this. Shalom.